In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add members to cards in Trello. Assigning people to cards is one of the simplest ways to make ownership and responsibilities crystal clear on your Trello board. When a member is added to a card, they can be notified about updates and deadlines, and everyone else can quickly see who's in charge. Start by logging into Trello and opening the board where your task lives. Take a moment to confirm you're on the right board, especially if you work across multiple workspaces. Once you see your list of cards, find the specific card you want to assign and click it to open the detailed view. Inside the card, look to the right side. You'll see a menu with several options. Click Members. This opens a panel that lets you add people to the card. If the person you want is already part of the board, you'll typically see their avatar or name in the list of suggestions. You can simply click their avatar or name to add them. You'll know it worked when their profile image appears under the Members section inside the card. If you don't immediately see who you're looking for, use the search box in that same Members panel. Type their name or username, and Trello will narrow the list for you. This is especially helpful on larger teams or busy boards. Again, click their avatar or name to assign them to the card. Remember, only people who already have access to the board will appear here. If someone isn't showing up, it usually means they're not a board member yet, so they won't appear in this list. You can add multiple members to the same card if more than one person is responsible. This can be useful for handoffs, or when a task spans different roles. After you've added the right people, you'll see their avatars on the card cover when you return to the board, making it easy to scan and spot owners at a glance. If you ever need to remove someone from a card, it's just as simple. Open the card, again, click Members on the right, and then click that person's name or avatar one more time to deselect them. This immediately removes them from the card and stops future notifications tied to that card. That's all there is to it. By opening your board, selecting the card, using the Members option, and clicking a name or avatar to add or remove people, you'll keep your projects organized and your team aligned with minimal effort.